The UF system should be shut down for KPAK Plus module removal. In an emergency, the KPAK Plus module can be isolated by closing the process inlet and outlet valves and the permeate outlet valve. If possible, flush and drain the KPAK Plus module prior to removal. Remove the support clamp from the KPAK Plus module. Using a wrench, remove the following: the union connection just after the permeate flow meter, the 2-inch Victaulic coupling from the top end cap, and the 8-inch Victaulic coupling from the top end cap. Remove the top end cap. Using a wrench, remove the 8-inch Victaulic coupling from the bottom end cap. Note that ATD, or anti-telescoping device, is a plastic device located at the ends of an ultrafilter spiral membrane. The device helps to provide structural support to the UF membrane, preventing unraveling and extension. Remove the KPAK Plus module, including bottom permeate plug and ATDs. Turn KPAK Plus module upside down and drain permeate. Remove O-rings from permeate plug. Remove O-rings from end cap. The KPAK Plus module can now be disposed along with its ATDs and O-rings. Install O-rings in grooves of permeate plug. Lubricate the O-rings and the inside of the bottom permeate tube with glycerin. Attach bottom ATD and insert plug into bottom of KPAK Plus module. Lift and place KPAK Plus module, including top ATD, onto the bottom end cap. Using a wrench, install the bottom 8-inch Victaulic coupling. Do not tighten completely. Install O-rings in grooves of top end cap permeate port. Lubricate the O-rings and the inside of the top permeate tube with glycerin. Install the top end cap with a twisting and pushing motion. Align it in its original position. Using a wrench, install the top 8-inch Victaulic coupling. Do not tighten completely. Similarly, install the top 2-inch Victaulic coupling. Do not tighten completely. Install the union connection just after the permeate flow meter. Check alignment and tighten all connections. Install and tighten the support clamp for the KPAK Plus module. Open permeate, process outlet, and process inlet valves. That concludes the KPAK Plus module removal and installation.